Hey everyone. Thanks for joining us today. We'll give it a few more minutes, see if anyone else joins. I'm Jackie. I'll be hosting today. Let's give it a few more minutes. All right, everyone. So I noticed a few people joining. We were waiting just a few minutes for to see if anyone joined last minute. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm super excited that everyone's joining us again. We'll be hosting InfoPulse series every single month, and I'm Jackie. I'll be hosting them. Today, we will be discussing are why content management systems are so important and how you can elevate your digital arsenal. So please submit your questions if you have any in the chat, and then towards the end, we'll be discussing those and answering those. And any unanswered questions will be included in the recording if you're unable to attend. We'll be sending that out after this. So on the agenda today, we're going to dive into the realm of content management systems. What exactly is a content management system, understanding its core function, the importance and benefits. So exploring why a content management system is crucial in today's digital landscape and the advantages it brings to your business. Also, the Jiffy CMS advantage. So just highlighting the unique features and benefits of utilizing Jiffy and what sets it apart from the other different softwares out there in the market. Integrating workflows, just practical insights, how to seamlessly incorporate that with your CMS and your daily operations. And then again, at the end, you'll be able to ask questions, gain clarity on any of the different aspects that we've discussed. And just remember, our goal is to make CMS approachable, obviously for everyone, regardless of what system that you're using, but also showcasing Jiffy as a choice out there. So let's really engage and make this session valuable for everyone. So first and foremost, what is a content management system? So exploring the different aspects of website optimization and how it's a game changer for your online presence. One thing is an enhanced user experience. So with a content management system, it plays a pivotal role in boosting your site's visibility, leading to higher rankings, also enhancing your user experience, faster loading times. One of the key reasons we do focus on optimization is to elevate that user experience. So just a well-optimized website, it helps to ensure your visitors or potential clients have a seamless and enjoyable interaction, which would ultimately lead them to stay on your website longer, leading to more conversions. Also, too, in the world of search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, AOL, optimization plays a pivotal role in higher search engine rankings. So boosting your site's visibility, leading to those higher rankings translates to better organic traffic and just increased discoverability among your target audience. Another thing too, especially in this digital era that we're in, it's really fast paced and speed really matters. No one likes to sit on a loading website. So when you have an optimized website and your content management system can help with that, it helps your website load quickly, reducing your bounce rates and also retaining those users. I always use the term click and ditch. If the page takes too long, because I'm not going to sit there and wait 5 minutes for it to load when other websites might be faster. Also, too, just this goes hand in hand with loading times and optimization is that mobile compatibility factor. So everyone has a smart device, whether it's a tablet, iPhone, Android, laptop, PC. With the surge in smart devices, it is really crucial that your website is optimized for those. So what that means is optimization, it would contribute to a seamless functionality on various screens. So your website would adjust to the screen size, helping reaching a broader audience, maximizing your impact, and having those longer experiences for your users. And again, remembering that the goal, it's not just a website, it's about creating that online experience that captivates and retains your audience. So we're going to dive into the specifics of optimization and its transformative impact. So tying hand in hand into what I was just speaking about and the importance of your content management system, streamlining content creation. So when you're trying to craft compelling content, just imagine how you would be able to do it in an effortless way. So with Jiffy, it does have a user-friendly interface, as you can see, and it's specifically designed for quick updates, enhancing that teamwork through seamless collaboration features, and supporting multiple users for efficient project management, which helps with moving beyond that content creation. Jiffy CMS helps to elevate your website's functionality to that user-friendly interface where it's easy to use. People can easily see who you are, what you're doing, and why you're doing it. But also, too, this platform is customized to your specific digital needs, enhancing your own digital presence. And security, it's just an absolute must these days. So implementing robust security measures into your content management system, they should go hand in hand. Sometimes they don't, but not only for your own peace of mind, but your clients' peace of mind and future potential clients or just website visitors. A Jiffy CMS with check-in. So check-in, it is our cybersecurity feature. It goes that extra mile to advance your specific security features, giving you more peace of mind, not only for yourself, but your clients as well. So with Jiffy, you would have no ransomware attacks or reduced ransomware attacks. What that would mean is just safeguarding your system. So anytime that there would be malicious software out there that would try to encrypt your data or blackmail you, demanding payment for its release, whatever it might be, check-in will help you with that. So whether you're operating as an IT consultant or user, you can implement these security measures, regular backups, employee awareness programs to minimize your risk. So with the addition of check-in, you're able to integrate multi-factor authentication into your security measures. So what that would mean is single sign-on opportunities, one-time authentication, but also it's just also helping with compliance, security standards, setting security expectations, and authenticating your users and the access they have to information. These two go hand in hand with also a responsive design. So a responsive design for your website would mean your site is crafted to adapt and display effectively on various devices and screen sizes. So that's that mobile optimization piece for iPhones, tablets, whatever smart device it might be. So in other words, the layout, images, your overall structure of your website would respond and adjust to provide that optimal viewing experience, regardless of whether your visitor is using a desktop, computer, laptop, tablet, smartphone, whatever it might be. And if you're a small business just starting out, or if you're one-man show, sole proprietorship, all of these things can really be overwhelming. But it just goes back to show that it ensures your website looks great on any device. So key features of a responsive design, some things to keep in mind whenever you're looking into a CMS would be the layout of the website. Is the design going to be flexible? Can you adjust the dimensions? Flexible layouts, media queries too. So these techniques are used to apply different styles just based on the characteristics of the device. So screen width, resolution, orientation, those all go hand in hand, and Jiffy CMS helps you with that. Images and media. So with your images and media, whatever it might be, those are also optimized. So you don't get pixelation or it's too big for the screen and you have to slide it over to see the entire picture. That leads hand in hand again, that user-friendly navigation. So when you think of navigation too with your websites, whether you have drop-down menus or menus that might slide, these can be adapted to be more user-friendly on smaller screens. So for example, if you have a drop-down menu and it's on the smaller screen, it can easily be adjusted to a slide-in menu, vice versa. Also too, text is a huge thing. It's not ever fun to have to zoom in, but your text is adjusted for readability automatically, just ensuring again that it remains clear, legible on various different screen sizes. So again, the goal is to provide consistent, enjoyable user experiences across a wide range of devices. Again, going hand in hand, contributing to increased user satisfaction, longer site visits, and just improved overall accessibility. When you're considering a content management system as well, regardless of if it's Jiffy or legacy software out there, analytics integration is really important to consider. What this does for your website, it involves incorporating different tools and services that would gather, analyze, provide different insights into the performance and user interactions on your site. So Jiffy CMS do all this for you, enabling you to make those data-driven decisions, understanding your user behavior, and optimizing your website for better results. So whenever you're looking into your CMS and you're looking into analytics integration, what this would typically involve, obviously data collection. It would collect on various aspects of your website, like user traffic, page views, click-through rates, what pages they're actually looking at, just to name a few. And then that's processed and presented in a meaningful way for you, whether it's in a dashboard reporting, and then you can use that behavior analysis to help you understand how users interact with your website. So when you're able to track which pages they visit, how long they stay, if they're doing the click and ditch, and the actions they take, this just keeps giving you more and more valuable insights into your user preferences and engagement, which in turn goes to conversion tracking. So when your website has specific goals, who you are, what you're doing, why you're doing it, and it's clear, such as form submissions or product purchases, e-commerce, analytics, those can track into conversions. This is really crucial for just understanding the effectiveness of your site and what you're trying to achieve with your objectives. When you're looking at all of these things, the analytics tools often allows you to segment your audience based on various different criteria. So such as location, device type, if they're using, a smart device or if they're on a PC, and also referral source. So Facebook, social media, if they clicked on a link. That segmentation helps you to better tailor your content, branding, marketing strategies to specific user groups, which again ties back into performance monitoring. So all of these things are really go hand in hand. So whenever you're thinking about performance monitoring, this just tracks the performance of your website over time. So it can identify different trends, spikes, peak times, dips in your traffic, and correlate them with changes you've made to your site or external events. Customized reporting too. So many analytics tools, they do allow you to create custom reports based on your specific goals and key performance indicators. This flexibility just continuously ensures you're tracking the right metrics and the metrics that matter most to your business and what you're trying to accomplish. Which all of these things just help with continuous optimization too. When you're armed or your business is armed with analytics data, you can make informed decisions to optimize your website continually. This might sometimes involve adjusting your content, improving the layout for user experience, or refining different marketing strategies to really hit the goals you're setting for yourself. So Jiffy CMS, just all of these things, has those different analytics to add into your website already, helping you gain those valuable different insights that can guide those improvements, enhance the user experience, and ultimately continue improving and contributing to the success of your online presence. Now, hosting a Google Workspace account doesn't seem like it would go hand in hand with a content management system, but the benefits of hosting your Google Workspace account and what that means is essentially just having a professional email that matches your domain. But that's the very start of it. So one of the things that helps ensures continuous website performance is that integration with your content management system. So having a Google Workspace account with your Jiffy content management system creates a synergy with your integration. So not only does it help by providing that user-friendly platform, but it also helps facilitate your content management. So ensuring your website stays dynamic. So what dynamic means, allowing those instant updates. This just further utilizes and enhances your user experience, simplifies your updates, showcasing your services effortlessly, making it super easy for your clients to look at your website, know who you are, what you're doing, what you're accomplishing. And then this nature also ensures your online presence is always fresh, engaging, and aligned with your evolving business goals. When you incorporate a Google Workspace account with your content management system, optimal website performance just keeps getting better, honestly. So through efficient content delivery management, it provides a robust hosting infrastructure. So that just optimizes your site speed, the reliability, downtimes. It complements Jiffy CMS, it complements this by offering more streamlined content management. So helping reducing those loading times so your client isn't just sitting there waiting for it to load. And also just enhancing your overall user satisfaction and prolonging that engagement. So again, ultimately the goal is to create an optimal user experience on both sides. So as we delve into these points more, just envision a hosting environment that not only supports your technical needs, but also enhances that overall functionality and performance of your website without having to do a ton of heavy lifting on your end. And don't forget to put your questions in the chat. So the benefits of really continuing learning about your content management system and essentially mastery. Jiffy with our CMS, it streamlines those content updates. It's user-friendly, the interface, it's intuitive design. It just allows for hassle-free editing, ensuring quick and efficient updates. The user-friendly platform, it just really empowers whether you're a trained technical IT professional or someone like myself. I don't have a technical background. It just helps you manage your content effortlessly, saving you time, enhancing productivity, and it also gives you a better understanding of how these things actually work on the back end side of things. And that would tie into also like your consistent branding. So with Jiffy, it has customizable templates, style guides. It ensures a consistent look and feel across your entire web content. This cohesive approach reinforces your brand identity, just fostering trust and recognition among your audience. I know myself, when I go to a website and I get confused or it's not readily understandable of what they're offering, it doesn't lead to conversions, it just creates confusion. So tailoring your website really just helps with your brand identity. And how can Jiffy help with standing out? It's the responsive design. It creates that security that your website or websites, if you have multiple, that they continuously look impressive across any device. They automatically update. It's captivating to visitors, and it gets your who we are, what we're doing, and why we're doing it across easily. So with that dynamic content, the options and seamless integrations, it really helps to elevate your user experience, making your site more memorable, and also alleviating that stress of not knowing exactly what's going on behind the scenes. So when you're crafting persuasive web content, one thing to keep in mind is to craft a compelling message that's really the cornerstone of engaging your audience. And with Jiffy CMS, you have the power to seamlessly create and update content, ensuring that your message is always current, it resonates, it's consistent. So that user-friendly interface just helps empower you to convey your brand's narrative effectively and efficiently. So turning visitors into client, that's definitely the ultimate goal. So with Jiffy, it helps you facilitate strategic content placement, call to action elements, guiding visitors through a journey that encourages that conversion. So the platform's flexibility allows for quick adjustments, optimizing your website to be a conversion-focused powerhouse. So just quickly, as you can see on the screen, this is just a screenshot of our e-commerce side, but you can easily update currency, price, any discounts, promotions yourself, or you can have your IT or ourselves do it for you. And then that ties into what we've been talking about a lot, is the user-friendly interface. having that interface is vital for retaining your visitors and ultimately those conversions from clients to, or sorry, from potential clients to clients and accounts. So utilizing the Jiffy content management system, it creates that intuitive design, making sure your website's easy, friendly to navigate, and it's really crucial for your engagement and conversion. So managing your site can be a smooth experience, and it can help you provide that experience to your visitors or help you get the experience you envision. Just building on a user-friendly design quickly, Jiffy CMS, it goes the extra mile to enhance the overall user experience. So with clear navigation to responsive layouts, just again, empowering you to create that environment where your visitors enjoy spending time rather than the click and ditch because it's not loading or it times out or there's an error on the page. And that would help too, the more you have a positive user experience leading to more conversions, that would help the scalability aspect of your business too. So as your business evolves, your website should too. Jiffy offers that scalability automatically. So it will scale with your uptimes, your downtimes, allowing your site to grow seamlessly. So whether you're expanding your content, adding new features, Jiffy adapts to your evolving needs, ensuring that scalable, future-proof online presence. And when you're scaling and evolving, that would tie into ultimately having a content relationship management solution or CRM. So in our last webinar, we touched on Jiffy content relationship management solutions. But when you're scaling, strengthening those client relationships, it involves efficient customer data management. So it not only helps you, Jiffy not only helps you manage that content management side for your website, but it also integrates seamlessly with Jiffy CRMs. So it creates that one solution or single pane of glass instead of having to do the software hop or have multiple different softwares. And don't get me wrong, sometimes that just happens. You can't avoid it. One nice thing about Jiffy CMS is we are capable of API integrations, furthering that single pane of glass and limiting the software hop. But implementing that CRM just ensures that you have the tools to personalize interactions, fostering long-term client satisfaction and loyalty without the risk of losing data. So when you're leveraging Jiffy CMS, you're not just managing content, you're orchestrating a dynamic online experience that engages visitors, fostering your relationships and driving even more conversions. Need to get better at cooking. So let's talk about search engine optimization and how it can be friendly for your business. So SEO friendly, what that helps with in terms of Jiffy CMS, it comes equipped with robust built-in search engine optimization tools. So what a few examples of search engine optimization tools would be Google Analytics, AdSense, conversion tracking, meta tags. That's just to name a few. That empowers you to maximize your online visibility, where you're seen in different search engines, where you're ranked at, what page you pop up on. So that just helps elevate and streamline the optimization process for you, ensuring that your website, it is easily discoverable rather than having to dig and hunt to find it or just not appearing at all. But whenever you are improving your website's search engine rankings, elevating that your website is at the core of an effective SEO. So with Jiffy CMS, you have the tools to enhance various different aspects like your meta descriptions, your titles, your keywords into the CMS. So improving page load times, and it also provides the features you need to be found in search engine results pages. So just utilizing that, you're not just managing content, you're strategically enhancing your website's visibility. So all of this is strategic in your plan to elevate your digital arsenal. So we live in a digital world. It's definitely not like the 90s I grew up in. We live in a digital age where your online presence, it just matters more than ever. It's not just about having a website, it's about having a dynamic, engaging, and impactful digital presence. What do you offer? What do you bring to the table? Is it easy to understand? So when you're ready to master CMS or even just start that initial journey, your content management system is really the backbone of effective digital communication. It allows you to feel empowered. It allows you to control, update, optimize your content seamlessly, better understand what actually goes into it as well. So whether you're a business owner, marketer, or developer, mastering CMS or just understanding it, it is a journey worth taking. So growth, it's just a collaborative effort. Your success is intertwined with the success of your system. So just another reminder, it's not just about what you know, it's about how you apply that knowledge to enhance your online presence and elevate your digital capabilities. So getting started is super easy. Whenever you're ready to continue that journey, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Contacting InfoFlex, so you can reach out via online, you can contact me directly, you can email, and just express your interest. We do an initial discussion to really better understand your needs, and then going from there, we communicate your goals and objections and work with that to provide your specific needs and details about your website. And then we would launch your website and your CMS platform. So that is the information I have today in regards to our Jiffy CMS. So I will go ahead and open it up for Q&A. So what's the scalability of Jiffy? With Jiffy, since we are hosting your environment with our Google Cloud or Google platform, it automatically scales with your uptimes and downtimes. So it expands your server's capacity to hold different bandwidths, helping to reduce blockages or errors or increasing that speed time. So it scales up and down with you. But that looks like that was the only question. Our next webinar series will be Wednesday, December 20th, and we are introducing one of our partners and why they decided to partner with InfoFlex. We will be discussing Connectrix, so stay tuned for that, and make sure you follow us on Facebook, X, and Instagram and LinkedIn if you haven't already. We'll be sharing our knowledge in what we do, but also sharing knowledge in the technology community as well. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you soon.